Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix something went wrong. Please check your network connection in Cash App. So if this kind of error occurs to you, then how you can fix that? First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply close the app, and the next thing you have to do, you have to simply press and hold the app, and after that you have to simply go to app info, and this can also be done by simply going to application manager and into the apps setting. And after that, what you have to do is you have to simply force stop the app. And if you are using iPhone or iOS device, then you have to simply offload the app. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply click on storage, and here you have to clear the cache. After that, you have to simply check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, what you have to do next is you have to check your internet connection, and you have to check it is working properly or not. And after that, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode, and in airplane mode, after that you have to turn it off again, and you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, what you have to do, you have to simply open the Play Store, and in Play Store, what you have to do, you have to simply search for the Cash App, and in searching the Cash App, you have to check whether it is showing any kind of update or not. If it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update your app, because many errors and bugs are fixed by the updated version of the app. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.